They build the hull from fiberglass, which comes as knitted fabric, and as mats of random strands pressed together. These two layers are hybridized to form a light but very strong material. Huge molds are used to build the hull of this 45-foot boat. Workers unroll the fiberglass and spray it with resin. Then they unroll the next layer of fiberglass, which overlaps the previous one, making for a very strong construction. The resin hardens as it cures. Boat parts are so large and heavy that they must be moved with cranes. This part is called the transom. It will be attached to the hull with fiberglass, while it and the hull are still in the molds, creating what's called a monocoque construction. This hull surface will receive the structural grid, which will support the engine, mast, fuel tank, and water tanks. Meanwhile, carpenters fashion the wood components. This door is made of solid teak, a durable hardwood that doesn't rot. The wood parts are then put into a curing oven at 50 degrees Celsius. Air is circulated to cure the varnish in about 11 minutes. Bright lights also help cure the varnish. It's time to put the divisions in place. The hull liner has slots designed to receive the various wood components. Each part is fitted twice, first to check the fit, then permanently with high-strength adhesive. It's time to install the engine. With its 54 horsepower, the boat can cruise at 8 knots, even when the wind isn't blowing. This stainless steel structure serves to reinforce the rudder. It's attached with epoxy glue. After closing the rudder mold, they insert a paper cone to completely fill the rudder with urethane foam. The foam expands as it cures. They finish by carefully sanding the edges of the rudder, which is now attached underneath the hull. To build the boat's deck, molds for the top and bottom parts must be aligned. High-strength bonding material is applied at specific